My name is Linda Frederick, and I've lived in Mundelein for 35 years now on this piece of property, which is unincorporated, so I'm on my own well and septic system. We had that big flood in the middle of July, and all of downtown Mundelein was underwater. I did not have any damage, any water damage. In the lowest area of our basement, there was like a little puddle of water. So I thought, oh, this is pretty good. And then my husband and I went to a party on Saturday night, and at the party, we both started to feel ill. After about 3 days of this, we both decided we were going to the doctor. 3 days later, it came back that I had Campylobacter. I was reading Diane O'Kelly's township newsletter, and she said because of the flooding, Lake County Health Department was offering free testing of well kits. I thought, what the heck? Did the testing, and Arnie from Lake County Health called me within 24 hours and said, don't bathe in it, don't wash your dishes in it, don't cook with it, you have E. coli. I work from home, so I'm drinking 60 ounces of this water every day. So we called the well and septic folks, and of course Lake County provided me a nice list. They came out, they shot chlorinated. I waited about a week or so, took a sample back. We still had contamination. We had somebody from the health department that came out to inspect the well. And David was here, he took a look, and he said, you know, your well doesn't meet code. I said, I don't understand. He said, the well cap must be above ground, and ours is in a well pit. So we called the well company, they came out, they pulled the well out of the well pit, now it's capped, and it's above ground level. So it meets code, and it will never get contaminated like that again if we had a flood. The health department was a primary resource for me in getting to the bottom of my health issues. No matter how many antibiotics I took, I was taking it with contaminated well water and drinking the well water, which I've done for 35 years without an issue. I really felt like we were all working as a team between the inspector and the folks in the lab and even the ladies at the front desk that were taking the samples to help me get through this. I could not have gotten where I did without the health department's resources and without the personnel there that sat with me from the beginning to the end to make sure that this got resolved.